Okay, here is the breather and the oil caps and stuff for the valve covers that I've got. They are new, but they look just like the Cal Customs, and this is my ideal for the look of my motor from the whole time. This is what we're going to do. Time for a little gray now. Now to do the pieces that I got when I was down at Daytona. I'm going to put just a little tiny bit of edge primer. I'm going to catch these, I think they call them chevrons or whatever you call them, and put a little charcoal on them the same color as the car is going to be. I noticed while I was editing this video that I did not say or show that I put some adhesive promoter on it. Just a light coat on it, not going to hurt, but I think it was really beneficial to it, and like I said, it can't hurt. And if you'll notice, all I'm doing is putting just enough to get it covered. Didn't see the need in piling a big bunch of stuff on there for the motor to bake off and crack off there. All right, here we go. The gray on our other pieces I bought down in Florida. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Need more pressure. Need more pressure. It is so hard to paint with one hand and video with the other hand. Boss's Mustang. Not too bad for a lunch break. Well, probably 3 of them. All right, all I'm doing is putting a little bit of this trim clear on it. And all I'm wanting to do is put just enough on it to keep the base from coming off of it. Because if you don't put something on it, the base will come off. So we're going to put a little bit of this on it to make sure that it don't come off there. And like I said, I'm not really wanting a lot on it because I really don't want it shiny. So there we go. Our cleanup guy said I should put him in my video. I'd get me a lot more likes. So hey, I guess if you like it, like it. It hurts me to watch seeing me untape stuff when I know how long it takes you to tape stuff up. Now, this is not too awful bad, but some of this stuff, like those chevron pieces or whatever you call them things you'll see in a minute, I bet it took me an hour and a half to tape them things up. It takes about 2 seconds to untape them. My goodness. After I let it dry real good, I took a razor blade and scraped it down real flat, and then I ended up taking some 320 and blocking it down a little bit to make that dull finish on the top of it. Yes, it really did take forever to tape all them blasted little lines up on that thing. But hey, come out good. Well, it took a lot of taping, but I do think that the end product turned out really nice. I think I'm gonna like this gray instead of the black on these, whatever you call it, chevrons or whatever you call these things. Somebody tell me what these things are called. But again, that is the color that the car is going to be. So all these little accent pieces, I'm either painting this gray, the same color as the car, or I'm painting red, the same color as the interior. A little different from what it was original, but this time it's going to be how I want it. Couldn't wait to get home and put these things down there like that. I'm just going to say, dang, I like it. Of course, first thing I did when I got home, I had to set it all up like it's going to be on a motor. Check that out. I think this stuff looks really, really good. I like it. So we got what I have here. As I went back through all of it, I'll put a little bit of this together. Edelbrock Torker intake for a 289. A set of original 60s Cal Custom valve covers. I can't remember the name of these. I got down when we was at the spring turkey run in Daytona. They're a repop, but I couldn't find the ones that match this. But hey, I'm a ways away. I might find them, but I think they matched up pretty good. Painted these in here. You don't know if you can tell, so gloomy day, but same as I done the valve covers here in the previous video. This is charcoal. That's charcoal in there, and that's charcoal in there. Boom. I like it. Now just to get it finished. Motor time. One more piece completed. Well, actually several pieces completed. And when I say good enough for who it's for, this is what I'm talking about, because it is definitely that good.